I'm literally crying. You know, like you just look like somebody auntie. Hi. Thank you very much for clicking on this video.
Okay.
Guys, I literally 2 a.m. I'm literally the definition of night owl. Who get up 2 a.m. in the night and say, oh my god, make me go do my ear? Nobody but me. I'm gonna do my ear. I don't know what that hairstyle name. I don't know that hairstyle name. That hairstyle and it go like this. And this look like so. I use elastic. If you know any name, comment down below because I don't know any name. So that hairstyle I'm gonna do today. I don't know if it's gonna look good because it look like it. To me, for everybody else it looks so nice. But for me, I feel like it just gonna look like me having a heap of hoop earring in my head.
My shame when me hear me embarrassed.
Because like look, this is a hoop earring. But me don't want to sleep. I do not want to sleep. I don't want to sleep at all. I'm gonna catch up my ear. I'm gonna start from back. Alright guys, as you can see, my hair literally grow. And this would just give me feelings back when we have short hair. I'm not playing now because something about ear now. You see ear one next story because you would your ear nice and say, oh my gosh, I look good. I want a time to pull you out the whole elastic, then just hook up in your ear. I'm just gonna cut off my ear because I not pull it out. You go pull it out because me not pull it out.
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why.
Wonder if I could double it 2 times, like 1 and 2. That would be so cute. No, that ugly. But guys, how you doing? How you doing? Because a long time in that ear from now. And guys, we almost reached 2,000 subscribers. Like, are you serious? Literally 2,000 people care about me. You literally subscribe to my channel. I look for me right now. And guys, listen, like literally listen to me, do not have no gel. Do not expect the gel and the soap at the end of the hairstyle.
Okay.
Because me did not expect it until we figure out I'm not a gel. My gel finish, well my wax finish. And that is like the main and important part of this hairstyle, the edges. Oh, and the gel done guys. And gel are the realest part of the hairstyle because you know say that's the finishing touch. Gel come like fade up. For the male then, the hair can literally get cut. But when I get that fade there, yeah, it look good. But just like for we female, oh my gosh, your hair can done. But once I get the edges there, swoop. Once I get the edges, swoop. It look good. I'm not a gel. My gel finish. Oh. But anyways, we're gonna continue with life. That not stop we. If you're still watch that video, oh my gosh, you're still here. Comment down below, let me know how are you doing tonight or today. And yes, it's literally 2 a.m. Me literally up 2 a.m. I do my ear. Me also want to try one video. Me up 2 a.m. I do my ear. And me take one pill if you want to sleep. Like one. I wish pill I take when you want to sleep. I flu pill when I can sleep. Yeah, me gonna take one of them there. I don't know if that's safe. But I want to do it like I'm want to sleep and see how my body react when I want to sleep and still up and try to my ear.
Hello.
Might be this will look good enough. This might be will look good. Might be will look good. Just wait now. Just trust me. I trust the process. Guys, I talk to you while I do the back of this. I'm not looking at what. I'm just going to trust the process. You know. I'm back at gold medal pan, you know. Champion boy, you know the thing. Oh, girl. Might be this have a bounce to it. Like. There's that bang gang. That bang gang. Oh. You see, guys, me no know. I don't want to sleep. Me no want to sleep. Me no who sleep like you. Me no mean you, but like to me, guys, me cannot just sleep. If that makes sense. Like I'm not a sleeper. Like me can't just sleep. Like just sleep. Ew. Sorry. I don't know if I explain, but like sleeping forever, you know. Me like get up. I'm actually an early morning person. Well, I'm not actually an early morning person nowadays. I'm actually sleep all the days of my life. I joke. But me sleep like a bit. Everybody different still. Everybody have them different occasion. I have to wake up on time. But for me, I'm just here right now. If you want to ask me a question, matter of fact, I say it in that video right now. This clip I'm not gonna see right now. I'm not gonna see it on my TikTok. I'm not gonna see it on my Instagram. Alright guys, yes, it's me again here, back again. I'm going to do a YouTube video, and if you're interested and you want to know something about me and you just see me and just are wondering, I'm going to do a Q&A, so you can go ahead and drop your questions below in the comment section, and I will surely answer it on my Instagram. I will surely answer it on my on my YouTube channel. So you can always tune in. Your question will be answered. Because we know people have so much stuff for ask. Even on the DM. Guys, look here. These are the reasons why I do not. I repeat, these are the reasons why I do not respond to direct messaging. This is why I not respond to people DM on Instagram. Why somebody gonna DM me and text me this? Like them ask me how me get edges in my locks. Like, me didn't even know how to respond or answer to that. Like, me just like, for real, bro, me not understand what you mean. What did you mean how me get edges in my locks? Me just swoop the ear. Then me yourself just swoop. Cool loops. Me just get little gel, little brush and swoop. Put it back in the lock. And that is how me get edges in my locks. Bro, if you ever see my message and we don't answer, you laugh till next week Monday. Cause like people just ask on random, like sometimes I wonder like what I think. The internet is so crazy. If you're not in a good space of mind, you can get very in your feelings or hurt about certain things. Why me go up on live and somebody go comment and ask me for my life if my beard?
Hey, chop.
Why are you asking me? And the person I am, I just see it and act like I see it. Cause what's wrong with you? What's literally wrong with you? But yes, me did beard still, you know. But like, bro, that's life. If you don't have anything in your body, people will act as some foolish. And if you love cuss, you will cuss them off and shame yourself. Like, me just can't see myself go up on live and cuss with somebody. You know, you see what about influencers out there, then go up on live. Even though a certain time, you have to clear your name for certain situation. But me going on live and screaming at my phone is crazy. Like, me not see myself like that. Oh, this so ugly. Me not that ugly. It looks like some stringy something. Me not like it. It look like some stringy see-through something. I mean, no, that got ugly. I did have faith, you know. It just like it just oily. Anyways, we're gonna continue. Might be me like here end, guys. We're gonna. I feel like I forgive myself one like a bang. I'm gonna put enough over the side here. Alright, now you talk to me. Alright, now look at the mirror up this so. Alright, so then when you go that way here. Bam, everybody else will go over there. So. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna show you the magic. I go to that side here and come back in 3, 2, 1. I'm literally crying. Like you just look like somebody auntie. Me not like. Alright, seriously, like might be we just look like, you know, them pumpkin skirt there. Me not remember pumpkin skirt. Like that's what it's giving. Like it's giving auntie. Like me really did that try go for one bob look, but this not last but couple hours. Might be with a couple TikTok in there if me like it here and there and here. Brother, me tell you, and me now go through all of this extreme bag of things just for when me pull this out, the elastic hook in the root. Me not play. But anyways, that side there we go Gruku Kupsi over the way. Like this is literally how I want to look like. I want to give bang like. And that I want to give. If you not give that, no. Oh my gosh, what time? I want is 2:20. Alright. 2:20 is crazy. 2:20 I'm there to ear. 2:20 people I don't know them better scroll on TikTok. I'm me up here so I do ear 2:20 a.m. Mars. Guys, please give me hope in the comment section about that hairstyle. And so I know any name, comment down below. Cause I don't know this name, I don't know any name. If you know the name, comment down below and let me know. Like, me not like it to cover my ears. Stay back. Oh, anyway. Bro, what is that word? I just clap myself on my lip.
Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fill you up, then I take you down.
I'm tired. And the reason why I don't respond to all about Instagram texts because all about people come with foolishness. Like just like if I just look on the top of a message, do you have a screw swipe? No, bye. Like what? No, don't ask me. Do I have a nothing? Like every day. Do you have a what? What? Every time, you know, somebody is. Do you have a? So guys, sorry, but that's the reason why I'm not respond to certain text, even on TikTok, bro. Oh my gosh, don't make me start on TikTok. Oh. Alright guys, so this is where we're at so far, and me literally do not like it. Me just look like me have a bag of hoop ears ring from my head. It just look like me go dry and show no. It literally look like this.
My shame when me hear me embarrassed.
Like it literally look like that. Like bro, I promise you, it's literally like this. It look like. But not even try to be funny. That's literally what it looked like. But everybody else, and it's like so cute and yeah, pure, oh, but on my head, oh my gosh, it's a next story. It just look like somebody auntie. It just look like somebody auntie. Alright, try to be nice. I try to fix it. Might be just because my ears not sure. Let's see what we can do. Oh my gosh. And girl, I promise you I'm not dramatic. I'm just like a ball. And you me stand up here at 2 a.m. in the night I do here and it don't come out with me. I go crazy. This is what I tell you about. This is what I tell you about. Why the elastic stuck in my ear? Like it's not bad. Like it's not like yo. This is all bipolar. I am 1 minute me say no bad, and then the next minute me say come like hoop ears ring. Gosh, one to me. You know bad. You know bad. It don't, but it actually go on itself. It go on with this. It go on with itself. It just wants a lip gloss. Oh yeah, bad. Why this come down on my face like that? Sorry. I don't want to not get frustrated and irritated now. Every minute I switch. Imagine me literally just put elastic. No, seriously. Imagine me just put elastic up here. So elastic is up here chilling while this is not hook. Elastic is up here so chilling in my ear. Me not in it. Because could it? And this not did this not funny. Me not stress myself and do my ear and then oh. Why when you almost done things I was like in trouble? I promise you, every time you're almost finished, oh, something want to do something. So, anyway. You go out yourself, man. Alright, stop. Cause might be ugly again. Alright, drop this over here soon. Me just look. It might be me need hoop earrings to complement this hairstyle. Guys, if you know what that hairstyle name, comment down below because I promise you I do not know what that hairstyle name. Me just always see it. I did try it. I think we didn't agree yet. I'm sure one picture and we didn't agree yet. Boom. That's the picture right there. Yeah, I think we did well, I'm not exactly this or something like this, but I was like banging type hairstyle. Alright, we're done now. We're done. this thing, this me not in it, no for true, me not in it. This keep on a play with me, me not have time. One more hook. My heart, my hand them a hurt me, my hand them tired. Alright, ready, steady. My hand tired, alright. Oh girl. Might be my ear just for sure. Look like one mop. I'm showing one 360 of this hairstyle. Like when we do my head so. Hi, my name is Kelly. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Yes, I'm 19 years old. When we do that, it look good, but when we just there like, you know, ready. But anyway, I give one 360. Mark, set, go. 360. Anyways guys, this is the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video guys. If you know the name of this hairstyle, let me just comment down below, and please do not comment down below teardrop or mop head or hoop earring. If you look good, tell me guys, cause me take you like no, we read and do it. Anyways, look a bit more later. Bye.
In a sentence for me.